consider gid ang compression force.
Ah.
Kaya ang formula na i-write na to,
Simple pala ito.
na mga some new formulas, para na siya sa engineering course. Okay? Different approach to analyze the compression force.
Ano na siya doon? Tension control na siya doon. Tension control.
May clarifications pa sa likod?
Bugs.
Wala? Okay. So let's discuss the ultimate stage. Okay? So chapter 3 is focused on the ultimate stage na with the integration of LSCP. Okay? So sa McCormack ECI, kaya LSCP. Okay? So the design methods allowed, we have the ASB and the LRFD. Familiar naman ako sila. For the ASB, we are using there the working loads or service loads, whilst the LRFD, you are using there the factored loads. So the disadvantages and advantages using the ASB and WSB, so muna siya, 1, 2, 3, okay? Basahan nyo na lang na, and several advantages, disadvantages. For the strength design or the LRFD, mayara man siya sa advantages and disadvantages. You have to read that part. And then for the structural safety. So ang structural safety natin, amo na ni siya ang may integration of the strength reduction factor. Yan na lang. Okay. The first method involves calculations of the stresses caused by the working or service loads and their comparison with certain allowable stresses. Usually, the safety factor against collapse when the working stress method was used was said to be equal to smaller of F1 sub C over FC or F prime Y over Fs. So it's just that sa stress strain diagram naton, galimit lang taya until elastic limit, until elastic stage lang. Kumbaga proportional limit, no? Takto ba? No, so dira lang hasta ang aton nga analysis. Wala tayong go beyond sa aton nga elastic limit. So ang safety net for the allowable stresses and the working stresses is ang ultimate gagawin stress. Okay? So for the LRFD naman, since dito na tayo gagamit sa peak na gid, for the concrete we are using the ultimate, for the steel we are using the yield. Okay? So kumbaga gamay na lang aton na safety net, no, before it ruptures. Diba ang pinakapunta sa stress strain diagram is rupture point or ang rupture stress niya, wherein dito na siya mabugto ang aton nga steel, dira naman niya mag-crush ang aton nga concrete. So, in order to account the uncertainties, may mention ko kagina, uncertainties to your design, calculation of the load, and uncertainties to the materials na gingamit mo to construct the structural member. So, gagamit kita diri sa i-introduce kita sa strength reduction factor. So this strength reduction factor is always lesser than 1. So these values generally vary from 0.9 to 0.65. Okay. So, ang strength reduction factor will be dependent also kung ano nga member ang imong gina-design. Kung is it a flexural member, is it a member, this is shear, if this member will resist torsion, if this member will resist axial. Okay? So, it will depend kung ano ang gina-resist sa member. So, for this instance, ang gina-design natin is beam, di ba? And beam is a flexural member. So, dito tayo sa letter A, which is ang moment. So, ang strength reduction factor for the moment, para sa letter A, action or structural element, moment, axial force, or combined moment and axial. The values of the strength reduction factor varies from 0.65 to 0.90 in accordance with section 421.2. So, ito siya ang table kagina. So, sa section 421.22. No? So stress reduction factor for moment, axial force or combined moment and axial force. Okay? So we have three values of the tensile strength ET. So we have the compression control, the transition, and then the tension control. So ang transition na zone, meron siya sa footnote. For sections classified as transition, it shall be permitted to use strength reduction factor corresponding to compression control section. So it can be permitted. No? It's your discretion. If kung mag-designer na ka mo, it would be permitted with the code na magamit ka na lang sa 0.65. Amo na siyang compression control to stress reduction factor ang 0.65. So kung tanawan mo, mayara ka di sang duwang columns, di ba? Mayari ka di sang spirals conforming to section 42573 and others. Okay? Ang spirals na, it pertains to the transverse reinforcement. Kung ang transverse reinforcement is naka-spiral in application, then you use that formula for the stress reduction factor. Pero ang beams naton, hindi man na siya spiral ang iya nga transverse reinforcement. When I say transverse reinforcement, if ang beam naton, if we have a beam, nga reinforced concrete beam, ang iya ning rebars, na-design natin sa pulina, ano na siya? Nababaw. Okay? So, di ba, ano na siya, no? Cantilever na siya, di ba? Already yung column. So, ang iyan ni nga rebar, tama na siya. Okay? So, muna siya ang 5 ka 28 mm bar diameter. Okay? So, ulit, theoretically, wala lang din may ginabutang. Okay? Kaya, siyempre, ang tensile mo, naman sa babaw mo. Okay? So, in order for us to place, no, pagutang kita sa transverse reinforcement, gabutang kita dito sa hammer bars. And the purpose of these bars is just to hook lang ang ato na transverse reinforcement. So, kung tanawang taniya nga section, ano na yung tsura niya,
Mas gamay nila.
and then you have here a hammer bars. Okay? So, ang transverse reinforcement natin is in a form of stirrups. And this stirrups is placed, nakama na siya. So, it gradually increases the spacing until it will no longer be required. Iniya, ginatugangan pa na siya for confinement sa aton na rebars with respect to the rebars naman niya sa
Mas daw mas stirrups, di ba?
may rebars na yung column mo ba vertical niya.
Ano na dito bang
Ang column mo naman may ako na siya. Okay?
mas
And then, ang iya Huwag na siya da.
sure na bang ginarisis sa moment, di ba sure?
Okay? So, ining pag-place natin sa transverse reinforcement, hindi mo siya patiyog na spiral. Okay? So, that's why we're looking here sa apples. Okay?
Ginarisis ka. Sure.
So, for compression control, you have a value of 0.65. For the transition, you have to solve it using the equation. And then for tension control, you have a value of 0.9. Okay? Okay, so derivation of the beam expressions. Ubra na takagina. May several na tanga na derive. Okay? So for the formula of beta 1, natag pa naman sa inyo ang yan na table.
Wait. Ano ka nag-lock ng section ng beta?
Okay?
Ano ang section ng
So,
beta?
ang naka-gray na, that is the formula for beta 1 sa ACI. Okay? So So kung i-ano nyo, i-compare nyo sa table natin sa NSCP, 0.05 divided by 7 is approximately 0.008 ng Jackpot. Okay? Kaso ang ginamit niya ng F prime sub C is 30. Aton dira is I think 28. No? So just adhere to the provisions of the code. So ML, or the nominal moment capacity, is defined as the theoretical or nominal resisting moment of the section. So the usable flexural strength of the member is now the PMN. Okay? Usable meaning, amula na siya ang imo nga gamiton, ang nabilin to nga kung tension control, kung 90% siya, ang nabilin mo to nga 10% na wala ging gamit, that is your factor of. Okay? So the PMN is the usable flexural strength, or other term for that is your design flexural strength of the member. Okay? It must be at least equal to or more than your MB. So the design principle for the beam to be safe in flexure, the PMN is greater than or equal to the MB. Okay? Then we have the formula for the actual equivalent depth of the compression block A. And we have there the rho. Ang rho natin,
Base times that. Percentage of tensile stress.
rho is the skill ratio. We have AS over. Okay? PD, this is for rectangular beam. Okay? If i-multiplyan mo na siya sa 100%, multiplyan mo sa 100%, then this is now your skill percentage. Sabo ko siya in the first chapter, second chapter ba to, na ideally, first chapter, so tensile strength. Ideally, ang skill ratio nato na rho is somewhere, ila to, 2%, no? Rho nato is somewhere 2%. Okay? Okay. So since ang rho nato is equivalent to this value, and we have the formula A is Fy over 0.85 F versus P, we can rewrite that one by AS natin, that is rho PD Fy divided by 0.85 F versus P. Cancel? In terms of rho, the equivalent, the depth of the compression block is equals to rho E Fy divided by 0.85 F prime. Okay? Ano na siya ng equation of inflation lang. If you want to express or solve the equivalent depth of the compression block using the skill ratio. Okay?
Deride.
Na. Okay? So in terms of rho, the formula for the PMN is equal to that value. No? Pero sa kadan ka naman sa ulo, pero ka mag-usul sa ulo, okay man. No? Oh. Ang skill ratio natin is also equal to 0.85 F prime sub C over Fy. The quantity of 1 minus the square root of 1 minus 2Rn divided by 0.85 F prime. Okay? So this is the formula of your rho in terms of the material properties, and then Rn. What is Rn? Rn is what? Ano gani? Rn is
wala ko magulong din.
No, no.
Nare-read mo ba? Oo. Ito lang ulit po yung mag-solo. Pero pag manipulate ko
Coefficient of
diba?
Sige lang, manipulator ka man.
Mga bahay, manipulator, gano'n.
Mabilis ko lang ganun.
Hindi ba? Dodge.
Pwede na yun.
Maybe, madami.
Okay? And the formula of this is Rn is equals to, since n na siya, nominal, we have this
So,
mu. Mu over v.
sis.
That is mn.
And
Then, okay. Other textbooks, ginagamit nila yung RU. RU naman niya, it's mu over,
sige.
okay? This one, mu over v is equal to, because for the sake of make sure that one was at this time. Okay? Tara, for me mas suppose ko na sa uloon para sa ini. But you can still memorize this formula in computating mu and pmn. Okay?
Oh, kasi. Hello.
Pwedeng kang ganun siya yan.
Maraming isa ako nakanta.
Dalawang mo siya doon. Ama ko na po. Sa principal pa lang. Sila din ko. Wala dito na sila.
Okay na?
No, ano sila?
So still ratio. Then we have here the strains in the flexural members. So the code states that the maximum usable strain in the extreme compression fiber of the flexural member is to be 0.002. So this is the part of the compression conflict. And then the code states that for grade 60 or the grade 420 reinforcement and for all piece-test reinforcement, we may set the strain in the steel equal to 0.002 at the balance condition. Ano naman yung balance condition? When we discuss the 5 cases of the steel reinforcement, ito na ito namin encounter ang balance condition. So for now, mula nanay. Okay? So the formula, tagpo na, no? Compute na siya.
An na diba? That's an yung naguluog.
Okay?
Masakit yung likod.
Questions? Lawig din siyang balance.
N.
Wala? Okay?
Saan yung formula?
So we'll discuss this in the next meeting. Ilawig mo siya. Ang 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, dali 4. Okay? Compression, maximum balance.
Kaya kapin.
4 tanggali 4. Okay? So, end lang tayo sa skill ratio na
Red, red. Red. Feeling ko na bit na yung classes sa mga break the overwhelmed. Doble na handle.